Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2014 Mercedes-Benz GLK Class. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 7-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include front bucket seats, variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, a roof rack, and power seats. Mercedes-Benz also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Mercedes-Benz's comprehensive certification process. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.